Hello, we are all concerned about plastics and plastics in ocean. We are concerned about microplastics. And in the next minute I will explain you, according to the baseball game, how to solve the problem. There are three bases we have to meet to make the full run. And the first base is that there is no waste, no trash which belongs to nature. We have to collect it all. We have to have a system to collect it. The second base to meet is that we have to recycle the material we are collecting. We are not able of recycling all the material. It depends on the design that we can recycle it well, and it means that some of the material has to be burned. What leads us to the third base is that we have to replace the raw material base in the long run to recyclable bio-based material. And what is the recyclable bio-based material? Is a fiber materials. And it's not only these old-fashioned boxes, they can be renewed, but it can be moldable board, which is more like a plastic, combined with a bio-based thermoplastics, which can be as well biodegradable. And as an ultimate example of the plastic looking product is a full cellulose made 3-layer film, which is bio-based, biodegradable and recyclable, and which can make the thing of thin plastic material. And even further, the most complicated for the microplastics is that we have a textile, for example, which you cannot prevent, but we can also make textile out of cellulose, and we can even recycle it. So in that way, the solution is found from nature, in nature's own solutions. Thank you.